gosh, they're just all over the yard. Oh boy.
4. You gonna count?
Yeah. 6.
Wow.
7. 8. 9. 10.
What's that?
That's
a funny one.
Is that a ladybug?
Yeah.
That's cool.
A ladybug.
A ladybug Easter egg?
Look. There's a real egg. That's a real egg.
That's a robin's egg.
Yeah. I don't know. It's not a robin.
Is it a real egg or is it a shell?
It's an egg shell.
I'll say
There
that.
must have been
Thank you. Please
a nest
save.
up
Not
above
blue?
somewhere. Maybe
Mother!
they use
How many you got now?
in here.
Did you lose track?
12. 13. 14. Oh, this.
All right, Lonnie, you can count again.
Busy.
This is a big one.
Whoa. Can you count that as 14 or should we count that as 1?
I think you missed one.
Let her figure it out.
15.
It might be getting harder to find now.
So we're changing direction.
One over here.
All right.
Did the squirrels get it?
No. Look, it was right by the chippy trap.
Oh gosh, there's just tons of them over here too.
And there's another ladybug.
Wow. Good eyes, Lon.
Another ladybug.
Whoop.
Those are so cool.
Hey, Lonnie.
In the shadows.
I'm doing a video.